Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to debug Google Chrome WebRTC connection issues step by step in 2026. If your video calls, live streaming, or real-time apps are not working properly in Chrome, WebRTC issues are often the cause. WebRTC allows real-time communication between browsers without plugins, but network, firewall, or browser settings can block connections. Let's start debugging. First, check your internet connection. WebRTC requires a stable connection with proper upload and download speeds. Switch to a wired connection or a more stable Wi-Fi if possible. Next, open Chrome and access Chrome://WebRTC-internals/. This page shows detailed logs for active WebRTC sessions. It allows you to inspect connections, ICE candidates, and potential errors. Now, test your camera and microphone. Go to settings greater than privacy and security, greater than site settings, greater than camera and microphone. Make sure Chrome has permission to use both devices for the site you are testing. Check for firewall or antivirus restrictions. WebRTC uses UDP ports, sometimes blocked by firewalls or security software. Temporarily disable these to test if the connection works. If issues persist, disable problematic extensions. Go to More Tools greater than Extensions and turn off ad blockers, VPNs, or security extensions that might interfere with WebRTC traffic. Next, clear Chrome cache. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data, select All Time, and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Old data can sometimes block or misconfigure WebRTC sessions. For advanced testing, open Chrome://flags/ and search for WebRTC. Make sure features like WebRTC, hardware video encoding / decoding, or UDP port handling are set to default or enabled depending on your setup. Finally, restart Chrome and test your real-time application again. If it still fails, try another browser or device to isolate the problem between Chrome, your system, or the network. And that's how you debug Google Chrome WebRTC connection issues step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome and real-time communication tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.